Okay, she's ready to be aligned. Start getting alignment done. Then start breaking the motor in. I think it came out pretty good. The Nova 0.24 engine, Salvex, high speed, high torque for the truggy, for the Mugen truggy. I like the shocks, how they came, especially with the stainless I'm gonna say gasket because normally they're plastic. That was a nice feature. So instead of them always being plastic, there's all metal. There's a lot of nice features and this like for spare parts. These are all the same. It's just a nice build how it made sense to do everything.